5 things that make users actually use your products and make you a better UI UX designer. Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth from DesignerUp, helping you level up your product design skills. There are a lot of reasons why startups and products fail, but there's a lot that you can do as a UI UX designer to contribute to the successful adoption of a new product or feature, and to give yourself the chance to keep iterating and getting feedback from users to improve existing products or features. Number 1, atmosphere. Brand, copy, and tribe. Even though Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram all have a similar purpose to connect us through social media, and even though the user flows and features are all quite similar, post text or video, like and share, if you've ever used Facebook or Instagram, you can instinctively pick up on the vibe or atmosphere based on the branding, tone of commentary, and the communities or tribes of people that contribute to the platform. What you want is to leave your users thinking, I'm one of you, you get me. Even if your product is in a highly competitive space, think about how you can differentiate yourself in these 3 areas and make your particular target audience or tribe identify more with you over the others. Number 2, ease and friction. Don't make it hard for them. Users try your product in order to check off a functional, emotional, psychological, or social task off of their to-do list. The more interface, design, and steps there are to getting that box checked, the more quickly you will lose that user or fail to convert them to a customer. Do things that are helpful, like onboarding and easy account setup. Don't do things that aren't helpful, like pop-ups before you've even read a blog article. The goal is to get your users to say, "Yay, now I can check that off my list," with the least amount of effort as possible. Number 3, mental model and mind mapping. Match their expectations. The more the task flows of an app feel and behave the way we expect them to, either because it mimics things the user is already familiar with or excels at doing it better, the better chance you have at keeping them around. Take Instacart versus Amazon Prime, for example. Even though these apps allow you to do the same things, they do them in a slightly different way. So understand your market and what they're already using, and see if you can get them to say, yeah, this matches how I expect it to be. Number 4, flows that flow. Sherpa their journey. A good UX almost feels like it reads your mind. It takes you down logical forks in the road and gives you directions along the way. It shows you how to get back to where you came from or to explore unfamiliar territory safely. Take, for instance, this cookie site. It helps you navigate the different types of cookies that you might be interested in purchasing. And it gives you all of the information that you need up front. All of the common things you expect to see are there, and you know what to do and how to get back to where you want. Be like a kind and adventurous Sherpa and get your users to say, "Thanks for guiding me through the process." Number 5, freeness-ish. Truth be told, we love that feeling of getting more than what we paid for. Even better if we get it for free. It's a tall order, but if you can over-deliver when it counts, you could end up with customers for life, or at least for a really long time in tech years. Canva is one of my favorite tools that is mostly free. It's amazing what you can do and how much value is provided for a free account. And it just made me want to sign up for Pro to unlock all of the other features that it does offer. Aim for that chill down the spine moment when your user sneakishly thinks to themselves, I can't believe that's all they're charging for this, or I can't believe this is free. These hot tips are actually based on the foundations of usability heuristics, UX design best practices, and jobs to be done. If you'd like to explore this stuff a little bit more, we have some free downloadable checklists over at DesignerUp.co. They're available for one-click duplication to your Notion workspace or as a PDF download. Thanks again for watching. I'll be back again with more soon.